Everything went terribly wrong. Shiba Inu's price is dropping incredibly quickly, but what's going on? Why should we be concerned? And what role does BlackRock play in all of this? Let's find out. Disclaimer: today took an unexpected turn when the cryptocurrency market crashed. Many people are now angry, especially the paper hands investors who entered the market and sold their positions at a loss. Despite its recent positive news, Shiba Inu fell, most likely as a result of today's Bitcoin dump. It's also important to note how closely Shiba Inu tracks the movements of Bitcoin. However, people may not be aware of this. The recent Bitcoin event did spark excitement with hopes that the price of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole would rise. Market would begin to boom immediately after. However, this has historically not happened. As one Twitter user explains, it's amazing how people believe that a Bitcoin halving event would automatically send the price to $200,000, but in reality, there's a 6 to 9 month lag period for the price to start appreciating. This means that, although there is excitement surrounding the event, the full impact on the price isn't immediate. Historically, the halving has been good for Bitcoin's price only long-term. In the year following the halving events in 2012, 2016, and 2021, Bitcoin's price increased significantly. However, in the month following the halving event, either minimal or even adverse, this data points to a tendency where the market overreacts to the halving's short-term consequences while underestimating its long-term effects. Nevertheless, why did the entire cryptocurrency market drop today? What caused BlackRock's spot to crash today? Following 71 trading days in a row, the Bitcoin ETF experienced its first day of zero inflows. This led some to wonder how it could be possible, and that is a valid question given that zero inflows following consistently positive activity raises questions like literally zero. Why is it not a number? Suspicions: zero usually means absence, but in the world of finance, it's unusual to witness complete stagnation, particularly following a momentous occasion such as the establishment of a Bitcoin ETF. This makes people question if there has been further activity occurring behind the scenes since the ETF's introduction on January 11th. In just 71 days, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF has amassed approximately $15.5 billion in investments worth millions of dollars every day. Many in the cryptocurrency community thought that Bitcoin would be the first ETF to set a record for consecutive inflows in history. Imagine how excited enthusiasts would feel to see the daily inflow numbers for BlackRock come to an abrupt end. The hype surrounding this event would be enormous, with discussions and speculations taking over social media. The inflow streak ended on April 24th, after BlackRock recorded zero inflows. Platforms and online discussion boards: although BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has never experienced a paucity of inflows, other ETF members frequently do. The longest inflow streak ever recorded by an ETF was 160 days, attained by JP Morgan's Equity Premium Income ETF. However, this is not the reason why the price of Bitcoin crashed today, leading other cryptocurrencies to follow. Fidelity, for example, has recorded 3 days of zero inflows in the last 2 weeks, but even so, people are still sad that the streak was broken. This 71-day streak places BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF among the top 10 funds of all time. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF kept losing money. On April 24th, Grayscale saw withdrawals of $130 million as a result of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Observed a net outflow of $120 million on the same day. It's interesting how the inflow trend was broken, but Grayscale is still there, continuing to dump their Bitcoin. Today, the majority of other Bitcoin ETF participants experienced a dry spell as well. This is one of the reasons the cryptocurrency market crashed today. If Bitcoin drops, for example, because it is the most popular cryptocurrency and carries a significant amount of market weight, all other cryptocurrencies suffer a similar fate. However, don't panic, as it appears that there is now light at the end of the tunnel. Shiba. The price of Shiba Inu has currently dropped by over 8%. In contrast to this bearish slip, there appears to be a boost in trading volume, which has soared by over 12% to $800 million. This situation may seem surprising to some people because usually, when a cryptocurrency's price drops significantly, there is a corresponding decrease in trading volume as investors become more cautious and less active in trading. However, in the case of Shiba Inu, despite the price drop, the trading volume has actually increased, this contrasting. According to statistics from Shiba Burn, the trend raises concerns and piques investors' curiosity because it implies that there might be increased activity or interest in Shiba Inu despite the general bearishness of the market. Given that the burn rate is currently reasonably flat at 0% growth and that 22 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned in a single day for the meme coin, significant progress towards the deflationary characteristic of Shiba Inu may be imminent. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu's real growth is greatly influenced by little fluctuations and important indicators like burn rate, trading volume, and big transactions. Prior to this price derailment, Shiba Inu had first used the 26 price level as support and was well positioned to retake the last spot among the top 10 crypto assets. As of the previous week, the ultimate objective had been to reclaim the next stage in its larger recovery effort. The tokens that the whales in the Shiba Inu community embraced at the time this video was made can help to boost the price growth of the cryptocurrency. Data from the block indicates that large transactions have increased by 61% in just one day to $162 million. Maintaining this massive embrace can help to replenish the Shiba Inu accumulation that the token sellers sold off in addition to whale transactions. Yet another crucial general trend on the larger market, as was previously described, is the one to keep an eye on. The market leader in Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock, has witnessed a pause in its daily inflows, indicating a general bullish feeling among investors. This is when things start to get interesting since emotion may be waning. In a recent post on X, prominent cryptocurrency exchange Bitmart announced a 30% flash sale for Shiba Inu, which would be available via a future launchpad. Bitmart has now opened a window for Shiba Inu aficionados to purchase Shiba Inu tokens for a 30% discount. How intriguing is the timing? If Shiba Inu is ready to develop and bounce back from the current market meltdown, this might be a very, very fantastic chance. In an effort to thank customers for their support, Bitmart is reportedly launching this discounted purchasing opportunity. Users must participate in upcoming campaigns in order to get tickets for Shiba Inu at a 30% discount. Provide as a means of entering a special lottery for a 30% off flash sale through the launchpad. Each Bitmart user is eligible to purchase up to 2 tickets. The sale price will reflect about 30% off the average price of Shiba Inu over the previous 2 days. The community of Shiba Inu is excited about this opportunity, as it gives them the chance to purchase more tokens at a reduced cost, possibly optimizing their investment on the impending price recovery. Well-known member of the community Lola was taken aback by the exchange's substantial 30% discount, and that's only the beginning. Shiba Inu is now accessible to its clients in New York thanks to Robinhood, a well-known U.S. trading platform. Customers can now trade Shiba Inu alongside other cryptocurrency enthusiasts worldwide. Meanwhile, the official Shiba Inu X account has drawn attention to the recent development. Now, you might be wondering, wait, wasn't Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood like years ago? Well, that's correct, but there's one small detail to note. Although Robinhood first listed Shiba Inu in 2022, the token was not available to all of Robinhood's customers due to regulatory issues. Despite adding support for the token 2 years ago and ranking among the top financial centers in the world, New York is one of the states that Robinhood did not instantly list Shiba Inu. Global, the state has a reputation for taking harsh measures against cryptocurrency, which is evident in the recent actions it has taken against emerging assets and crypto businesses. For example, well-known cryptocurrency exchange Ccoin was forced to close its operations in New York and pay a $2 million settlement after the state accused it of operating an unregistered trading platform. Efforts to fulfill all legal requirements may have contributed to Robinhood's delay in making Shiba Inu available to residents in this area, presently rigorous new. This approval shows that Shiba Inu has complied with the strict regulatory standards set by New York authorities, proving its legitimacy and dependability as a cryptocurrency. This can increase investor confidence in Shiba Inu's long-term potential and stability. York regulators once again demonstrate their long-term confidence in Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu next week is poised to be very interesting to watch, but what are your thoughts on that? Comment below. Robinhood just moved a whopping 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens between its internal wallets yesterday, possibly preparing for an upcoming wave of new buyers. This is paving the way for further adoption and growth in the crypto market. If you would like to learn more, please make sure. I would be happy to hear your thoughts. To select one of the videos displayed on the screen, marking the conclusion of this video. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.